Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our deluxe room at the Ritz-Carlton Marina del Rey, so let's take a look. Coming into the room, you can see it's beautiful. A nice, great big king-size bed. And a lovely dresser, credenza with all kinds of drawers and storage space. Great big flat screen TV. You have beautiful artwork. It's beautifully decorated. All the Ritz-Carltons are very tastefully decorated. Have USB plugs, and you can play music, and you have a clock, of course. And night tables on both sides of the bed with drawers for storage. And lights on both sides of the bed as well. Here's the dresser again with all kinds of drawers and storage space. Got a lovely desk over here that's separate with two comfortable chairs and more lights. There's your temperature control over there on the wall. One of the best features of the room is this view of the marina. So as I said, we're in Marina del Rey, and there is the marina right there. So just gorgeous. It's a beautiful day here in Los Angeles. 69 degrees and sunny, so just gorgeous. Coming back into the room, got another comfortable chair with a coffee table and an ottoman. Another night table, even bigger, with 3 drawers for more storage space and breakfast form. And more plugs and USB plugs next to the bed. And coming back over by the door, here's the closet. It's a nice big closet with plenty of hanging space, extra bedding, an ironing board, have a robe you can use while you're here, and a luggage rack and a safe for your valuables, which is very nice. And they have this beverage station right inside the door, which is also very nice, with all kinds of coffee and teapots and some water that you can enjoy. And down here there's a mini fridge to keep your food and beverages cold, and more storage space over here on the other side. So just lovely. And here is the bathroom. So it's a beautiful bathroom, single vanity with a beautiful big backlit mirror, makeup mirror, plenty of storage underneath the vanity for your toiletries. There's the facilities, of course, and a nice big soaking tub, just beautiful. And a great big shower head and some really high-end amenities there for you to enjoy. So, lovely bathroom. So, beautiful deluxe room at the Ritz-Carlton Marina del Rey. So next time you're sailing out of Los Angeles, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.